Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Lovebay automatic electric hand dryer. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So we open up the box by, of course, pulling out the box tab right there and flipping up the box lid. And taking a quick look inside, you can see the contents neatly packed away in the box. Let's go ahead and remove the contents and lay them on the tabletop. Okay, you can hear the bubbles of the bubble wrap popping away as I lift the package out from the box. And of course I've dropped what appears to be an adapter. And there are some other items as well. So just double checking and making sure that there's nothing else left inside the box, we lay the contents out neatly across so you can see the contents of the entire package of the Lovebay automatic electric hand dryer. Okay, just setting the contents out neatly right there. So these are the contents that we've just removed from the box. Let's first start off by taking a look at this sheet here. So there is what appears to be an instruction or user guide for the Lovebay automatic electric hand dryer. So taking a close-up look right here just for your reference as well, so you can see the details and instructions or guidelines for the hand dryer. And on the reverse side as well, there's a quick close-up look, and there is some technical data as well, or product specifications right there. Okay, so that's the user instructions for the automatic electric hand dryer. And now moving the hand dryer to the side, we look at the accessories that come with it. So there is what appears to be a power adapter or socket or plug adapter here. This is a UK 3-pin plug adapter right there, or British plug. And just giving you a close-up look. And of course the input side of the adapter. Okay, so a nice good look all around, and just to give you some idea of the size of the adapter right there, just sitting in the palm of my hand right there. Okay, setting the plug adapter down, we move on to the next item right here, which appears to be a packet of plugs and screws. So these plugs and screws are used for securely mounting the hand dryer to the wall, as you can see, as well the cross on the heads of the screws. So they are Phillips screws along with 3 wall plugs. So 3 screws with 3 wall plugs right there. Okay, now setting the packet down and moving on to the main item, which is the Lovebay automatic electric hand dryer itself. So straight off I can tell you that it is incredibly light in weight. Given its size, you would think that it is somewhat substantial in heft, but looks can be deceiving. Okay, so I will move the power cord or cable to the side and slide the hand dryer out from its bubble wrap packaging, and always making sure that there's nothing left inside the bubble wrap right there. Okay, setting the hand dryer in the middle of the frame right there so you have a nice clear look before my hands and fingers get in the way. And of course showing you the plug as well. So over here is a 2-pin plug, as you can see, which isn't too helpful, but given that we do have a wall plug adapter that's supplied with this hand dryer, it does make things a whole lot more easier when trying to plug this plug into a wall or multi-socket lead. Okay, so now taking a quick look around. First, you can see the rear and rotating it around the side. It does have a very shiny surface and very contoured as well, so very sleek looking with a very uncluttered and very utilitarian design, where the form follows the function right there, so you can see a nice good look. Now close up of the output vent right there, where the hot air will blow to dry your hands. And of course there are two sensors below to detect your hands, which will set the automatic hand dryer off, so that there's no need to touch or press any buttons to get this hand dryer going. So you can see the mounting points as well, the 3 mounting points, and giving you a close-up look as well to the fit and finish or overall construction of this Lovebay automatic electric hand dryer, and the plug and specifications as well right there. Nice good look. And giving you a close-up look right there, so you can see these specifications. So it does have a 600 watt power output right there. And so a nice contoured look. You can see these little bulges on the top of the hand dryer body or unit or housing, depending on how you want to call it. So you can see that very sleek finish, very clean and compact in design, with just a single circular outlet vent right there to blow the warm air out of. So nice, good look all around. And for size and scale, bit of perspective right here, resting it in the palm of my hand. And as I mentioned earlier, it is very light in weight, so you're not really going to have too much problems mounting it onto a wall, or even if it is somewhat weak or not as strong as you'd like it to be. It is very, very light in weight. There we go. See, right there. Okay, so now having a good close-up look to the output vent right there, the 2 sensors right there in the middle of the frame, and then of course the inlet vents where the fresh air goes in and the hot air blows out of. So nice good look. And of course I should show you the cable length as well. That's something I haven't done in a long time, to show the cable lengths of appliances, since I haven't really encountered any plug-in appliances in a long while on my YouTube channel. Most of them have been wireless as of recent. So going to undo this cable tie right here. So I'm gonna have to snip it away with a pair of scissors right here. Right there, cable tie undone. And now showing you the cable length. So very, very important, since it will determine your sighting position or location of your hand dryer right there. So nice good look, just keeping it down right, and right there, nice good look of the cable length. Okay, of course, once again, close-up look at the plug right here. 2-pin plug, however, we're supplied with an adapter to work with it, so no big issue there to get it up and running in no time. Okay, so very simply plug it in and we have a working plug for the British or UK standard. And now all we need to do is plug it in to the socket, and it might fire up straight away, so be mindful of the sudden noise. Okay, so now plugged in, let's lift the unit, and there we go. Instant warm heat, and you can hear that noise as well. So it is not too noisy at all, and it does produce a nice jet of heat instantly. Okay, so nice and efficient heater right there, or hand dryer. Yeah, the unit stays very cool to the touch, even the back or backing of the unit, even though it does look somewhat thin or thinner than the housing, the white part of the housing, it does not feel hot or warm at all. And let's try it again. Just simply bring my hand or fingers just under that sensor or outlet vent right there. And it heats up so quickly, very, very quickly. Nice hot to warm stream of air that blows out from the unit. So very simple automatic operation, no buttons to press or switch on. And very compact in size as well. So a nice seamless design with the very tough ABS plastic body and construction. And there's no place for dirt to hide, given that it does have a very, very seamless and touch-free design. So that's the Lovebay automatic hand dryer. Thanks for watching and happy drying!